Hi, my name is Sam and I play bass. I currently play bass for Ginger and the Gents. We've been together for about 9 years and played a lot of different venues. My basses take quite a beating. We throw them around a lot, they get dropped, they get kicked. People's ankles always get caught on cables, so they're yanked off of stands on the stage. Bridges don't necessarily wear out, but they do start to sag sometimes, so you know that you're getting play in the saddle and you're not going to get proper tone, and it's going to go out of tune. The only pedal I have is a tuner, and I rely on, my basses to make the sound for me. I think a lot of guitarists, bass players, musicians are like me. You kind of fall in love with your equipment. Something I got to say about this bridge, first off, it looks really cool. The way it looks against that purple, and then just the two adjustments is really nice for the saddle, for action coming up. It came with new 5 screws, so I didn't have to use the old ones. That was nice. Both size Allen wrenches. I installed it in about 20 minutes. I think I expected I was going to go about 20 minutes and 4 F words, and that was right about on. That's how I measure work that I do, like working on cars. I think I can do this in 2 hours and less than 5 F words, and it's just pretty good. That's a good determination on how hard the job's going to be. But this was easy. I don't even think I dropped 1 F word. I mean, the only problem with it now is I need to get one for my orange O bass, because I think I'm going to like this one a lot, so I'll be buying another one.